Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. Today we're making an easy cloth wallet. It's a nice simple wallet that folds over, has a clear window, and a nice little pocket for your cash. Slip in a couple cards, your ID, and you're on your way. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. Or check out my Etsy shop where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with the cutting measurements, the materials lists, step-by-step instructions, color photos, and any printable templates needed. And since it's a digital pattern, you can download it and get started sewing today. I've added links in the description below this video. Let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a main fabric, a lining fabric, a fabric strip, clear vinyl, and a Teflon sewing machine foot, or if you don't have one, some painter's tape. First, center the interfacing on the wrong sides of the main and lining fabrics. Following the manufacturer's directions, fuse the interfacing to the fabrics and let them cool. Fold the fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Place the long edge of the vinyl piece up against the inside of the crease. Use fabric clips to hold in place. Place a Teflon sewing machine foot on your machine, and if you don't have one, place painter's tape on the bottom of the foot so the vinyl will feed through easier. Then top stitch near the open edge of the binding to secure it in place. Place the lining fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the vinyl piece on top of the lining with the vinyl edges matching on the left-hand side and the binding facing towards the middle of the fabric. Place the main fabric on top with the right side facing down. Align all the edges and use fabric clips to hold in place. Stitch all the layers together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the side open for turning. Flip the corners and turn it right side out. Be sure to turn it so the vinyl is up against the lining fabric, not the main fabric. Turn the opening edges under a 1/4 inch and carefully press the opening under, staying away from that vinyl. With the lining fabric facing up, fold the non-vinyl side over 2.5 inches with the lining fabrics facing each other. Press to form a crease. Use fabric clips or pins to hold the creased flap in place. Top stitch around the entire holder 1/8 inch from the edge. When sewing vinyl, make sure you lengthen your stitches so you're making fewer holes in it. Fold the wallet in half and press the fold to make a crease. And just like that, just that fast, you have a nice, easy, minimalist wallet. My favorite kind. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.